Times Square, often referred to as the Hum or the Times Square Hum, is a permanent sound art installation created by Max Neuhaus in Times Square in New York City. Originally installed in 1977, it was removed in 1992 and reinstalled in 2002. It is maintained by the Dia Art Foundation, who consider it one of the 11 locations and sites they manage. Max Neuhaus was a contemporary music maker and artist credited with being the first person to use sound as their primary medium in contemporary art. Times Square was one of a grouping of sound art pieces he created throughout the 1970s in public places in New York City. Other works from the same time period include Walkthrough in what is now J Street Metrotech Station and a new work in the Museum of Modern Art's garden. The work to create Times Square specifically began when Neuhaus entered negotiations with the Metropolitan Transportation Authority and Consolidated Edison in 1973 about installing the piece. These negotiations stretched over 4 years largely due to the MTA's refusal to collaborate with a private individual. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.